Get Jimmy 24. Hey guys, I was so glad to see you. Anyway, they were very cool. They were very great. That's all about it. They were the same way. That's honestly make it was itself to me about this as a brother. This dedicated, declared. It doesn't have we do. Somebody we know it. About that. They're very cool. They're powerful. Very great. There's an awesome video on YouTube. Very great. All the creators. My mom's channel. All the subscribers. There. I was in the Richco Harley Davidson. This is awesome place. You watch this and the title code is with the sprayer. This is like workers right there when we came out. They're very kind. They're very cool. I was to be about that. I was so. I hope mine came in. I was to be the Democrat. But I wonder. It was pretty great. We came in. It was the same as Speedway. It's like about that. We know it. If you want me, that's okay. Thank you. Watch the video on YouTube.